Hello royalties, welcome back to the channel. So I try to do this hairstyle without putting any gel on my hair except for my edges, since my hair is long. But if your hair is short, I advise you braid it out throughout the night and then take it down the next day so that it will loosen up a bit, because you know afro hair are always shrinky. And also my hair was well combed off camera, so if you see me just putting in my rubber band, I combed my hair off camera, so no problem. So now after I've get my hair in a ponytail, I use this brush because I found this brush to be very helpful. It always lay my hair like properly, because it's kind of the brush itself is kind of a little bit hard, so it works wonders for me, as you can see. So now to go in with the puff that you made, it's simple. Just look what I'm doing. Since the puff that you made has an elastic, you are just going to open it, and you are opening it while holding on to the elastic so that it won't loose. So you are holding on to the elastic, as you can see me doing it. You are holding on to it and then stretch it out and then get it inside the ponytail, and then you draw it back so you can tighten it up a bit, as you can see me doing right now. And then you tie it like I'm doing. That's just it. Simple. After you've tied it, you're just going to try to arrange the hair properly so everything can be laid and you will be looking all snatched. So for my edges, I'm using the Cantu gel to lay my edges. You can use whatever gel you are comfortable with, but this is what I use. I laid my edges off camera. So I was not about to go out, but I just feel like going out now, cause goddamn, I cannot waste these looks. Like look at me. I feel like I should go out, like. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end. Hope you love the content, hope you love the video, hope you understand everything I taught you guys. If there is something that you don't understand, please comment down in the comment section below. I'm ready to answer your question, or if it even requires me to do another video, I will do another video explaining very well what you don't understand. Are you watching this video onto this time and you haven't subscribed? Why? Please go and click that subscribe button right now and turn on the post notification bell, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Please, thank you. And to all my old subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you for always watching my videos. I appreciate you guys so much, way more than you can ever imagine. Make sure to follow me on all my social media, my Facebook, Instagram, that if you want to. And thank you guys so much again for watching this video, and until next time, that's how I'm going to say bye. I love you, royalties.